So we've come to Goa to ride this, the BMW F450 GS. जी हाँ, जिस बाइक का सभी ADV enthusiasts को बेसब्री से इंतजार था, ये मोटरसाइकिल आज हम गोवा में कुछ घंटों के लिए चला चुके हैं। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इसके एक्सपीरियंस की, द राइडिंग एक्सपीरियंस, डिजाइन कैसा है, किस टाइप के फीचर्स यहाँ मिलते हैं, अल्टीमेटली इज दैट फन वैल्यू क्वोशंट there in the motorcycle. Hi, my name is Roof Paliwal. You're watching Times Drive. Let's get rolling. Before we move ahead with this video, I have a small request to make. If you like the kind of content that we make, please hit that like button so YouTube also knows the same. If you know someone who's been looking to buy the BMW F450 GS, share this video with them and subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such engaging automotive content. Now, if I have to talk about the design of the F450 GS, obviously this has taken inspiration from the bigger GS motorcycles. The front area, the mid section, the rear not so much because that feels a little bit slim. But अगर यहाँ पे बात करें तो एक वो similar LED pattern जो आपको बड़ी GS पे देखने को मिलता है, that उसका रेप्लिका एक तरीके से कहूँगा यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। हेडलाइट कितनी अच्छी है ये तो हमने रात में चलाई नहीं, so can't really comment on that. But you also get this nice rally style windshield over here. Again, not very big, but it does fit into the design of this motorcycle. Looks really nice if I have to say so. अब मैं यहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ अगर बात करूँ तो ये फ्रंट में आपको एक 100 सेक्शन टायर देखने को मिलेगा. It's a 19 इंच व्हील. ये alloy wheel डिजाइन काफी स्लीक यहाँ पे दिखता है, बट अगर आप चाहे तो आप एक्सेसरीज के थ्रू एक स्पोक व्हील का भी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. लुकिंग एट द सेंटर सेक्शन ओवर हियर, टैंक जो है नैरो फील होता है, बट they've done their best to make sure that this looks like a GS motorcycle. Similar मस्कुलर हॉन्चेस आपको यहाँ पे थोड़े देखने को मिलते हैं, काफी स्कल्प्टेड सा ये टैंक फील होता है. फ्रंट की भी बात करूँ तो स्क्रीन पोजीशनिंग है काफी सिमिलर फील होती है, एंड जस्ट लाइक द बिगर GSs you have got like a lot of buttons over here that help you operate the screen. You've also got this nice toggle switch which rotates and toggles left and right. So I think over here you won't really feel lacking that this does not belong in the GS category. वो अगर एक शिकायत मेरे को है तो वो पीछे की तरफ थोड़ी है, because at the rear if it had a slightly broader stance over here, maybe this would have looked a bit more imposing. Over here it looks like a narrow but really athletically built motorcycle, and design overall मैं कहूँ मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आता है. लास्ट में एक नज़र यहाँ पे भी डाल लेते हैं इसके rear टायर पे. Once again, this is a 130 section tire over here and it's riding on a 17 inch wheel. And honestly जो चीज़ मैंने सामने भी कही थी, जो width है, चलाते वक्त ये नहीं कहूँगा कि यहाँ पे कोई कमी महसूस होती है, बट इफ द टायर वाज जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट वाइडर, this would have really sealed the look of the motorcycle. So what's the BMW F450 GS like to sit on? I'm gonna get on the motorcycle to just show you how easy it is to get on. And honestly, if you've ridden a bigger GS, it feels similar. Obviously, it's not all that big. But बात करता हूँ यहाँ पे बैठने की पोजीशन की. First of all, you sit in a very comfortable position on the seat. The seat, I think the cushioning is really perfect, and it's also quite spread out, so a lot of your back area is getting that support. Your knees, they'll nicely lock onto the tank over here, and there's not a lot of bend to my legs, so I'm sitting in a relatively comfortable position when it comes to my lower body. Upper body की बात करें, my arms are nice and loose, relaxed on the bars, and either I can get a little bit forward and try and attack with the motorcycle a little bit more, which puts me in a position like this, which also still stays relatively comfortable, but still allows you to have a little bit of fun. Or you could just be touring and आप यहाँ पे आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. You have a view of the entire world in front of you, and honestly, it is a very commanding, a very comfortable position to be sitting in. So what is powering this BMW F450 GS? Well, you have a 420cc engine right here, a parallel twin motor, makes 48 PS, 43 Newton meters of torque, and there's a 6-speed transmission over here. Now, this is the GS Trophy variant, and this has an easy ride clutch, an ERC clutch. अब ये clutch क्या होता है? Well, quite simply, it eradicates the use of the clutch 99% of the time. जब आपको फर्स्ट गियर एंगेज करना होगा तब भी आपको टेक्निकली क्लच की यहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, एंड क्लच जो है वो 2700 RPMs के बाद ही जाके एंगेज होता है. साउंड्स अ बिट टेक्निकल, चलाते वक्त मोटरसाइकिल को थोड़ा यूज टू इसके लिए होना पड़ता है, बट वंस यू गेट यूज टू इट, इट इज़ प्रीटी ईजी टू राइड इन ट्रैफिक. एक शिकायत जरूर है, जब आप इंक्लाइन पे होते हैं and you want to use your clutch to hold the motorcycle and not the brakes, at that point of time ये क्लच काम नहीं करता है and the motorcycle actually starts to roll back. So that is actually a big problem, I have to say, that needs to be sorted for this motorcycle to feel really nice when it comes to the ERC, because everywhere else the ERC works really really well. Engine की बात करें, I really love कि ये engine कैसे अपनी power बनाता है. It's a very linear power curve, but वो 48 PS एक सिंक आपको हो सकता है कि शायद से लगे कि नहीं, maybe that much power नहीं है, but the way the engine keeps making power everywhere in the rev band right up till the red line, I think it's a very fun element of this motorcycle. It's a character that you will like over time, maybe not in your first ride of this motorcycle. I'm a fan of such motorcycles which rev very linearly, so I am a bit partial over there. But overall, I think ये powertrain unit जो है, it is a very good unit for this motorcycle, especially for the kind of applications this motorcycle is going to be doing. Touring की बात हो, वहाँ पे भी that engine is refined. If you want a bit of performance, वहाँ भी कमी महसूस नहीं होती है. And even off-road, this engine holds its own really really well. Now I have to tell you this is a first impression of the motorcycle. Ultimately मैं यहाँ पे ये कहूँगा, हमने motorcycle काफ़ी कम टाइम के लिए चलाई है and varied scenarios में नहीं चलाई है. But at a first glance, this engine feels really really nice. Now this being a BMW, it's packing in a lot of tech as well. First of all, there's a 6.5-inch TFT screen over there, and it pretty much takes care of all your problems. Right now, I'm sorry I can't show you that because the motorcycle is not on, but the screen has many options. They are quite well laid out, and again, ये बड़ी BS जैसे ही यहाँ पे feel होते हैं. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, controls are similar, screen का layout भी similar ही यहाँ पे feel होता है. You get different modes on the motorcycle. That means rain, road, enduro, and enduro pro. Enduro pro is where the motorcycle is at its freest. The electronics are not cutting in, and you really have a good time राइडिंग दिस मोटरसाइकिल. साथ ही साथ सस्पेंशन की बात करूं तो फ्रंट सस्पेंशन यहाँ पे एडजस्टेबल है फॉर कंप्रेशन एंड रीबाउंड. देन अगर लग्जरी जैसे फीचर्स की यहाँ पे बात करनी है तो यू गेट थिंग्स लाइक अ हीटेड grip on this motorcycle, although some of you might complain कि cruise control missing है. Honestly, I don't really miss it, but what do you think about that? Let me know in the comments below. Now it's time to sum up my first impression of this, the BMW F450 GS, and honestly मैं कहूँ I quite like this motorcycle. काफ़ी friendly motorcycle है चलाने के लिए, but if you're an expert, you'll also have fun on it because there is power in reserve, and this is a seriously capable motorcycle, be it on road or off road. इस छोटी सी राइड में तो हम इसकी लिमिट्स बिल्कुल भी पुश नहीं कर पाए, but overall the experience of riding this motorcycle has been really good. At a starting price tag of rupees 4.7 lakh rupees ex showroom, BMW ने F450 GS को काफी reasonably प्राइस किया है, keeping in mind that this is a luxury ADV offering in the 450 to 500 displacement category. अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं मिड स्पेक एक्सक्लूसिव वेरिएंट की बात करूँ, उसके लिए आपको 4.9 लाख रुपीस देने पड़ेंगे, एंड टॉप स्पेक GS ट्रॉफी वेरिएंट इज प्राइस्ड एट 5.3 लाख रुपीस. ऑल ऑफ दीज प्राइसेस आर एक्स शोरूम, एंड ये प्राइसेस इंट्रोडक्टरी भी हैं, सो ऑब्वियसली प्राइसेस बढ़ जाएंगे वंस द डील रन्स आउट. However, अगर अभी की बात करें, on this short ride, I can say that from the riding perspective and even from the price point perspective, यहाँ पे the F450 GS is off to a good start. What do you think? This ADV commands the price tag that it is positioned at? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.